Today we are looking at Aldi's dupe version of Nutribullet. This is the SuperBlend, comes with 1000 watts of power, and 50 nutritionists approved recipes. Package includes one large 800 milliliters cup, 2 drinking 500 milliliters cups, 2 standard lids, and 2 flip-top lids. Here's the extractor blade, looks similar to Nutri Ninja blades. I have here on the right side, Nutribullet extractor blade. And we can see they have different blade designs. But looks exactly the same at the bottom. Aldi's cups fits perfectly on Nutribullet base. This is the flip-top lid. I personally don't like the locking system on this one. The motor base inner design looks very similar to Nutribullet's base. But this one is heavier and bigger in size. It comes with anti-slip feet. And it works pretty good. Now, I will run a quick comparison test. With just water and chia seeds. As I found that chia seeds is the best way to test blenders breaking down functionality. I will run both blenders for approximately 15 seconds. Please note that Nutribullet is only 900 watts, while Aldi's Bullet is 1000 watts. Let's have a look. I will get closer, so you can see the results. Okay, it looks like chia seeds didn't break down fully in Aldi's Bullet blender. But here on the other side, chia seeds seem to be more broken down over Aldi's one. Please hit the like button if this video was helpful. Thank you.